In the early 2000s, the Mitsubishi Magna was seen as a sedate, bland but competent vehicle that competed in a market dominated by the Falcon and Commodore. In 2001, Mitsubishi Australia decided to change the Magna's image. They set about doing this by introducing a Magna Ralliart concept car at the Sydney International Motor Show. The concept vehicle was perceived to be the most powerful Magna that had been built to date. It was designed using knowledge acquired from Mitsubishi's rally racing program and in conjunction with performance specialists, Koni. Unfortunately, the Magna Ralliart concept vehicle didn't fully translate into the 2002 production model. The version of the Ralliart we got is still a very special vehicle with its sleek and sporty design, significant power increase, improved handling, and greater stopping performance. The rally-bred design is obvious in things such as the absence of driving lights in the front spoiler and the biplane deck lid spoiler that was inspired by the limited edition Lancer Evolution. The body kit included extended wheel arches and unique side skirts. Further enhancements were a series of specialty badges, a set of alloy mag wheels and a squared-off chrome exhaust tip. Inside the vehicle, you'll find Ralliart-badged sports seats that provide comfort, style and excellent holding support for the driver and front passenger in shifting driving situations such as cornering. The steering wheel, with its red and black color scheme, is a genuine Italian sports wheel made by Momo. The instrument cluster is a unique presentation comprising red-faced gauges and the Ralliart logo with the illumination design from the top-spec Verada models. The Magna Ralliart has a V6 engine that is installed in an east-west configuration to accommodate the fact that the car is a front-wheel drive. The Ralliart is powered by a modified 3.5-liter engine delivering 240 horsepower, 180 kilowatts, and 245 featuring lbs of torque. Modifications to the engine included installing a new cylinder head, high-lift camshaft, increased compression ratio, revised engine management system, a set of stainless steel exhaust headers and a less restricted sports exhaust system. During testing, the modified engine's performance resulted in the manual version of the car accelerating from 0 to 100 in 6.71 seconds. The automatic version of the car was slower, taking 7.15 seconds to do the same thing. Performance comparison testing with other manufacturers' vehicles that are in the same market category as the Magna Ralliart saw Mitsubishi determine that the Ralliart was quicker than the Falcon XR8 and the Commodore HSV XU6. Source: Motor Magazine, August 2001. Top speed is electronically limited to 240 km/h to allow fitment of V-rated replacement tires. The automatic transmission used in the Ralliart is a 5-speed with the added feature of being able to shift gears manually and subsequently hold onto a gear throughout the rev range, without the automatic system intervening. The transaxle on the manual version of the car is a regular limited slip type differential, LSD. The automatic uses a traction and trace control system that is an arrangement where torque-sensing helical gears provide positive power delivery to the road throughout all accelerator fluctuations. The system aims to provide positive torque transfer to the wheels even in conditions such as wet or loose road surfaces or when traveling through tight corners. The Magna Ralliart power is put to the ground with springs and dampers that were specially selected to give responsive, neutral handling that is significantly better than what was provided on the standard Magna. The suspension system was developed using knowledge acquired from Mitsubishi's rally racing program in conjunction with performance specialists, Koni. Steering components were also specially calibrated to give feel and feedback for spirited driving. The brake system was significantly upgraded from what was installed on the standard Magna. The design included an ABS and electronic brake force distribution system being fitted. The upgrade also included larger ventilated discs being installed on the front and the back of the vehicle.